Hello, my creative friends. Today in our group challenge, we're really focused on the notion of keeping our negative space. And I saw this has already got its black base down, and I'm just about to layer my colours and do a ring pour here and then tip it and then just leave it. And I'm going to stretch it out and it should look really, really good. I saw it by another YouTuber, this style done very recently, and with the background being in white. No, the background being in black and all the colours layered with white and silver. It really gave it an opportunity to sing and stand out against the black background. So I'm layering my paints, which are just mixed up with a pouring medium of Floetrol and gel medium to thicken it up a little bit. And I'm just about to get ready to do my ring pour. One of the things I find with challenges that are negative space, or any painting that's negative space for myself, is how quickly the whole process is over. And I find that quite dissatisfying. Hence, I tend to overwork things. But nonetheless, here I go. I'm going to do the ring pour here and then tip it, and then it's going to be over. Here we go. Well, the colours do look really, 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 really nice. And I'm keeping on going. Wanting to get my little middle looking nice, so I get my finger ready to catch it so it's not a drip. Got it, it's not too bad. And so I'll just let that spread a little bit, and I don't want it to spread too much. And then up towards you, back towards me, a quick little torch, and then we'll let it dry. Oh, I've got some black there that I can just cover while that's doing its natural stretch. How do you find negative space? Like, I really love the look of it, but in terms of creating it, it's a real challenge for me in terms of just that whole notion of stopping. So, no, within myself, I have a massive sense of dissatisfaction. All right, here we go. Towards you. Yeah, shall I let it come off? Yeah, just a little bit that way. Back towards there. And now towards me. Well, I think I can spin this around so it can be more towards you again. Oh, I feel like it might need more paint. What if I do another lot and then pull that down? Or why not? That dark sea teal, white. This is a metallic deep sea that I made up myself. A bit of white, some silver, oops, dark deep sea again, and I'll do my ring pour here. Let's go. Getting my finger ready. Oh, yuck. Luckily you can just cover them in the middle. Alright. side. I know you can't see, sorry. You'll be able to see in a minute. It is looking really interesting, having the two ring pores happening. Isn't it funny how I was wanting to do the end that's closest to you, but for right now I'm focusing on the end closest to me. And now finishing off by coming down to your end, allowing this paint to just slowly creep in and stretch on out. Here we go. I think I want it a little bit more towards this side. Yep, like that. And bring that back into the center again because the effects are really, really pretty. Now let that roll off. Now I'm going to bring that back towards me. Sorry, I'll tip it so you can see it. There we go. And that's it. Oh, there's so much in me that just wants to keep working this. I want to bring more everything into it. I want to do more ring pours and cover the whole lot, but it does look really, really, really good, and I'm so interested to see how it looks when it's finished. I'm just wondering if I should have put the tiniest little bit of black in there just to allow it to be more with the black ground. Do you like that word, black ground, instead of background? Yeah, it's a dad joke, isn't it? Except the joke's on me. See how I'm just fiddling, you know? I need to actually literally walk away, don't I? Okay, stepping back and walking away. Except I'm going to take my glove off and bring you in for a close-up because it is really, really pretty. Here we are. Nice lines. We all know I love lines. Might have to flick the torch over it just because there are a few air bubbles in there. And I'll show you this in a day or two when it's dry. I made sure I got the edging just because I just think it looks nice. See that packaging there? All right, stay well, my creative friends. I was filming from this and I went to dismount it and the phone jumped out of my hand and landed right there. I'm not going to touch it and just let it be how it is, even though I'm so tempted to just, or actually maybe I'll do another ring pour on it. All right, let's do another ring pour, even though I've added silicone into the paints. So that'll be interesting. All right, let's do that. Well, you know how I was saying I wanted a bit of blacking? I was able to put a little bit of blacking, not much. And I've layered this one here for a flip cup in a minute. So I don't actually have too much spare paint, but I'll only need to do a little bit and stretch it over considering there's enough there to support the background. But, that's what happens when you just being, I don't know what I was being, but here we go. Oh, I didn't tilt it. It's all right. When I say tilted, I mean there was a particular way that I was pouring it on an angle before. Oh, the middle's not nice. Nothing that a twirly stick can't fix before you tilt it. There we go. All right. So go a little bit this way and catch it there. And now bringing it back this way and catch it in that natural line there. Then we'll bring it up and see if I can make it kind of get a swirl so it blends, or maybe not. Doesn't look like it wants to. I'm going to bring this down and maybe do it around in a twirly fashion. Look, you can see where the paint's dried a bit more. All right, how was that for a save? Pull this part right off. Ooh, look, it's getting a scary face. I'll be getting rid of that. I see so many scary faces in my paws. Do you? Stretch it back down. Sorry. I can only imagine that I'm really like wanting to move away from this quite desperately now. Okay. Let's see how that dries. No touching. Well, here it is. And how nice does it look? And you know what? I poured it on top of another ring pour, and in the dinting of the black background, you can see the shaping of a ring pour, and it actually really suits it texturally. And let's see if I can help you see some of that shimmer. How nice and shiny it is, by the way, too. That was using Floetrol with that gloss gel medium. Really nice. So I think I managed to keep my negative space really, really well. Ta-da!